Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. As I say every time, I will say this time, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. I'm just here to show you stuff. And the thing I'm here to show you today is World Liberty Financial. WLFI. Doesn't really roll off the tongue as well as I'd like. WLFI? Wi-Fi? It's too close to Wi-Fi. I don't know what's going on there. So apparently this is associated with our current president. Kinda don't love the logo design. Where's the light source? It's like shiny here and here and here, but I don't know where the eagle is supposed to be lit from. And there's something wrong with the tail. It's not coming out of the right part of the eagle. I can't. It looks too much like another wing. Like maybe this is the tail and this is a broken wing or something. I don't know. I don't like the logo. Something's off with it. But that is neither here nor there. It is live. You can now move your WLFI into the lockbox to begin the unlock process. Claiming begins September 1st. WLFI last post in the thread. Any posts below this pretending to be us are likely phishing attempts. Any tokens. So, here's their website. DeFi meets TradFi. Right. Well, they got the light source better this time, but I still don't like the shape. Bridging legacy finance and the open economy with purpose-built on-chain products. Unlock WLFI and start trading. The community spoke and we listened. Thanks to your governance. Vote. WLFI is now tradable. So it's on Ethereum, Binance, and Solana. Got that going. It's got an app. Lend and borrow. Dollar stablecoin upgraded for a new era of finance. Now, community governed. What does it say that El Presidente has this semi-private sector thing going on? I know crypto is like almost maritime law. There are a lot of laws that have yet to be written about it because it's this new budding currency and tech is always ahead of the law and that sort of thing. But I would hope. I feel like being the president is a lot of demands on your time. Like, how do you have... Maybe he just kind of said thumbs up to something and isn't particularly involved in it. I don't know. Trump family profits even with tepid launch of crypto tokens. World Liberty Financial's cryptocurrency token fell short of investors' hopes. But a previous deal paved the way for a payment to the Trump family of potentially hundreds of millions of dollars. Trump family's cryptocurrency, tepid first day, surging in value initially before losing most of those gains. There's that. This week, World Liberty organizers did not allow the token to be traded on public markets. So after the 35,000 original buyers had purchased a total of about 550 million, half a bill worth of the tokens through the spring, they could not easily sell them. Organizers voted in July to lift that restriction. Alright. Oh. So... It's stake in crypto firm is worth $5 billion. Oh my. Well, that's happening. So, family members of Donald J. Trump hold 22.5 billion tokens, disclosures say. I don't know enough about these sorts of things, but I'm hoping it's all on the level. Let's continue the side here. Okay, so his sons aren't president, so they've got their own thing. So, I don't know. We got him. We got this involved with Trump. And there's money happening with it. Let's take a look here. Let's see how it's doing. Take a look at our candlesticks here. This is the official project, backed by Donald J. Trump. Alright, well. Let's see, this is zigzag. Here are our numbers. Yeah, it had a quick spike yesterday, and then it dropped. And there we go. Alright. Trump family just got $5 billion richer. They now hold 22.5% of the total supply. Yeesh. Today these tokens were unlocked, giving them full control over the assets. Yeah, there's a lot that I'm not sure of here. My hackles are raised about... I don't know if it's legal now, but I don't know that it will be legal in 10 years for this to happen. So, color me skeptical. That's my story for today. Links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.